right, everybody, here now is a very important exercise, how to deal with the turtle position. So in this particular case, I get to the turtle, my partner grabs my waist and blocks my arm. Now he hides his head under my belly, looking towards my legs, and then he starts to ride his arm through my legs and start getting his back flat on the ground, walk under me, and roll me over. Boom. Once I let go, I will get back to my position. He's going to do the same thing. Control the waist and block the arm. Hide the head. And now start throwing the arm inside the leg. Roll under the person. Pull and roll. One more time. Control the hip and block the elbow. Hand under the belly. Throw your arm between the legs. Flat your back. Get under and roll. And last one more time. Grab the waist, block the elbow, hide the head, throw the arm between the legs, flat your back, pull the hip, and roll.